Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to walk through how to create your first automation in ActiveCampaign in 2026. To get started, log into your ActiveCampaign account on your PC, and from the main dashboard click on Automations in the left-hand menu, then click the Create Automation button to open the Automation Builder. You will see a selection of pre-built automation templates organized by goal, such as welcoming new subscribers or following up after a purchase. But for this tutorial, go ahead and click Start from Scratch to learn the fundamentals. Give your automation a name at the top, such as Welcome Series or New Lead Follow-up. Then click on the Start trigger, which is the entry point that determines who enters the automation. Choose a trigger like when a contact is added to a list, when a form is submitted, or when a tag is applied. Then click Save to set it. Now click the plus icon below the trigger to add your first action, and you will see a menu of options such as send an email, wait a certain amount of time, or add a tag. Select Send an email and either choose an existing campaign or create a new one right inside the Automation Builder, then click Save to add it to your workflow. To build out the rest of the automation, simply click the plus icon again to add additional steps like a wait condition followed by another email or a conditional split that branches based on whether a contact clicked a link. Once your automation flow is complete, click the toggle switch in the top right corner to turn it from draft to live, and ActiveCampaign will immediately start processing contacts through your workflow. You can then click on the Activity tab to monitor who has entered and what actions they have taken as the automation runs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.